a threat for a moderate risk for the severe weather event. You need to stay tuned. Over here, we're actually going to see how much Cape will impact the new chance for an outbreak, because there will be a chance having moderate risk. I will show you a little bit later. Meanwhile, I want to show you how much the Petra Energy knows the Cape will exist. How much like that you can measuring it. You can see there's a lot about it, around like 200 joules. That's a lot around like November, including rare during November have that much Cape, but then eventually dissipating around that Cape. Meanwhile, during that event, we're looking at the wind shear so far right now. You can see, but it's definitely closer to the Oklahoma around that area to see how much will eventually happening during that area. Otherwise, you can see there's not much, but until when you go look at the south area, you can see there's much more Cape around that region. You can eventually see that area when you get like pulling closer in for like chance for a moderate risk for that lower region, but there's lots of Cape around that low moderate risk area. Interesting about that, but there's also chance for like supercells during that area. See, just around like at least like around 10 or 11% chance, but some areas could get a little bit bigger when we get a little bit closer. But much more other than that, there's a good chance for tornadoes, because you can see which area we're looking at right now. You can see a very good tell what is going on about those tornadoes. You can see around 30% chance for tornadoes in that area for the NAM version of it. Just to let you know what is going on. But maybe I will tomorrow will check the HR to let you know about more about that. But otherwise, we need to look at the look out for this. You can see where the moderate risk is located. Shows you around that area with the lots a little bit Cape eventually. You can see around day 2 to like 50% chance for tornadoes and also sling risk. What that means, like you have 2 and plus above that average area, to let you know what is going on about that range overall about that. But the hail threat is just a little small, only 50% chance. But the wind threat is like above like that, like 30% chance. Like kind of like, but combine all of these things. There's a lot of things we need to look out for this moderate risk region, but more likely a chance for tornadoes. That's where we need to look at to see what is going on in that area, because there's so much very interesting facts about that area, so much rarely during November. Just let you know what is going on about this week, about what we need to focus on. This is extreme weather out here.